Welcome back to Lucas AI Academy. If you love smart AI tools that help you save time and earn money even while you sleep, you've come to the right place. Hit subscribe, then fill out the form below in the description, and I'll send you my private list of over 800 top AI apps for content creation and affiliate marketing. At the end of this video, I'll reveal a money-making secret that most Pictory users completely miss. Today, I'll take you on a full tour of Pictory AI, the platform I trust to turn text, blog posts, and even PowerPoint files into beautiful, ready-to-publish videos. We'll sign up, explore every feature, and create a sample project together. Grab a cup of coffee, open your browser, and follow along with me step by step. First, go to Pictory AI. Right on the homepage, you'll see a short intro video. Click free trial. You get a 14-day free trial, sometimes longer during promotions. Enter your email and password, or simply click sign in with Google. Take advantage of the trial period to create a few videos you can post on your channel right away to boost watch hours. Once you're in, look at the left sidebar. This is the main workspace. Key features include text to video, paste a script, blog post, or bullet points, and let AI create a complete video. Article URL to video, paste a blog link, and Pictory will summarize the key points. Find visuals and add narration. AI video editor, like a lightweight Premiere Pro, cut, merge, add transitions, and background music. Images to video, turn a batch of travel photos into a professional slideshow. PPT to video, upload a PowerPoint file and convert it into a video with captions and voiceover. Now let's create the first project. Click text to video. Enter a catchy title, for example, "The best laptops right now." In the script box, type a few sentences such as MSI, Lenovo, Asus list the best models. If you have more content, just paste it in. On the right, turn on auto-highlight keywords and auto-visual selection so the AI automatically picks suitable images and video. Click Proceed and watch Pictory process it. It automatically splits the script into scenes, selects royalty-free videos, and even creates AI voice narration. Each scene appears in the storyboard. You can click any clip to replace it, edit captions, or add text boxes. Want to use your own voice? Go to Audio, upload voiceover, and upload your recording. It's perfect for building your personal brand.
Are you ready to elevate your gaming experience? In this video, we'll explore gaming laptops from MSI, Lenovo, and
Next comes the fun part. In Styles, choose fonts, colors, and caption effects. Open Brand Kit to add your logo and custom fonts so every video matches your channel's style. Use elements to insert shapes, emojis, or highlights great for emphasizing key tips. A strong brand helps viewers remember your channel and can even raise your ad CPM. Need vertical video for shorts? Choose Portrait 9:16. For standard YouTube videos, select Landscape 16:9. And use Square for Instagram or Facebook ads. Preview your video, and when you're happy, click Download to get the MP4 file. Want to repurpose a blog post? Choose URL to video, paste the link, and Pictory will summarize it and create a video with free-to-use images. Or try images to video and PPT to video to make slideshows or videos from PowerPoint. It's all simple drag and drop. YouTube money-making tips. Schedule at least 3 shorts each week. Pictory makes bulk creation super easy. Once you reach 4,000 watch hours, add end screens and mid-roll ads to boost revenue. Add affiliate links for any product you mention. The description box is prime real estate. And that's the whole process. You've just learned how to create professional AI videos from script to final export without complicated software. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe to Lucas AI Academy, and leave a comment. What's the first video you'll create with Pictory AI? I read every comment and might feature your idea in the next video. Remember the quote I always keep in mind: learn how to make money while you sleep, or you will have to work until you die. Start automating today, and I'll see you in the next video.